Hey everyone, Chef Albert here. We're going to be making sandwiches made out of corned beef. Okay, this is mayonnaise, Walmart's mayonnaise we're using. Okay. Some pink salt. Let me see, let's get some So, put some mayonnaise in here. It's similar to the way we make tuna fish and chicken sandwich spread. We're making corned beef sandwich spread. Making it a little differently than I normally would do it. But I always want to. This is onion powder. We're going to use sun-dried tomatoes. Been using that in Spanish rice and stuff too. We'll be showing some videos on some new cooking styles. That's coming up. I see everybody liked the ice cream. We have some more ice cream coming too. Videos. Okay, this is that's sweet relish. So we're using sun-dried tomatoes. You can use any brand, and we're using the sweet relish and mayo and some salt. Should add a little touch of lime juice. Gives it a little kick. Okay, black pepper. We're going to put some hot sauce in there too. I use Scotch bonnet. Oops. Might be a little bit too much, but I can tolerate it. Just use as much as you can, or, you know, as much as you can tolerate. But that is some pretty hot sauce. That comes from the island of Jamaica. Okay. And that's about it. We can add cheese to this as well. And this is how this looks. So it has a unique. So we're using corned beef from Brazil. I prefer that one. I've tried the other one. Whichever one you like to get at the store. Each store is different. I don't promote brands here, but I'm just. If I do, I would tell you. But I'm not promoting anybody right now. So I'm just using whatever I can get at the store. But I got my favorite sourdough bread. This is soft. They said that we ordered it, right? And they said they didn't have it. Go to the store. What do you think? It's there. It was only $2 for it. $2.22. That's pretty cheap. You can order it, but I don't want to go through that again. And not every Walmart store has it. We had to go to a super center to get it. At night. It's funny, we had to go to pick up the food ourselves late at night, like 9 o'clock at night. Great. Ugh. Okay. Here's some sourdough. I know, it looks just like regular bread, right? Most bread comes in different sizes. I don't have the other bread to show you. So we're going to put it on top of this, the spread. Let's see, what should I use? I can use this. You can put cheese if you got cheese. Or you can just eat it like this. This is good if you're going to the beach or you're going on a road trip, you know, and you don't want to buy things on the road. You can make your own sandwiches to take. You know, you put it in your cooler, put it in a Ziploc bag, and you keep it cool and fresh, and you're ready to go. All right, let me get see if I have any cheese. Okay. We have Cobb sliced cheese, 24 pack. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's a mixture of white cheese and cheddar mixed together. Let me see if it's I'll take a slice. Now, if you got lettuce, tomato, and all that other goody stuff, you can do that as well. I'm going to show you what I do with bread. People say, why do you never take the top part of the bread? Well, I put the bread back. You can see I put the top bread in there. To me, it lasts longer. Now, that's me. Now, everybody's going to be different. These twisties, you kind of lose them when you're making sandwiches. Alright, so remember, sun-dried tomatoes. Oh, hey, did I put that in there? Silly me. Tap that in there. Let me put some of it on top of here. Yes, it's in oil, but it has a good taste though. So we're going to mix that together. It's optional, you don't have to put it in there, but it gives it extra flavoring. You can put it if you don't have it. It's minor, it's optional. Some people might put more hot sauce or anything on here. I have everything I need. And that's it. This is a sandwich. Enjoy your sandwich. And stay tuned for more food on the chef's menu here. Chef Al. Hey, thanks again. Hey, we're celebrating our 10 years. Yes, 2016 to 2026. Thank you for making it possible. More food is coming. Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye for now.